with a firefly flying in the sky, but you wanted me for yourself. So you put me in a jar and placed me on your highest shelf. And I loved it at first. In your hands I felt safe. You gave me just enough air, I didn't want to escape. You couldn't mean to suffocate me. But as your love grew deeper, my light got weaker. How can you tear us apart? I told you my heart was only for you, only for you. You ran to my life and you want me to shine, but only for you, only for you. I fell in love with the fairy tale and the wishing well. That's what made it so hard to see that it was all just pretend, and these lies have ended our story. But as your love